Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create auto reply in Facebook Messenger with Google Generative AI. So I'm an owner of a business and my objective is that as soon as any of my customers are going to ask any queries or any questions related to my business and sends a message on my Facebook Messenger on my Facebook page, automatically an answer of that question should be generated first with the help of Google Generative AI, that is Google Gemini. And as soon as the answer of that question is going to be generated, I want to reply the answer back to my customer on their Facebook Messenger account. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Facebook Messenger and Google Generative AI, that is Google Gemini, with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn how to do this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create auto reply in Facebook Messenger with Google Generative AI. So my objective is that whenever any of my customers are going to ask any business related question on my Facebook Messenger, automatically with the help of Google Generative AI, a content should be generated towards that question, and then the content should be forwarded as an answer to that question to my customer. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Facebook Messenger and Google Generative AI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After that, you can see the all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Create Auto Reply in Facebook Messenger with Google Generative AI. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay. Next, over here it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down arrow and these are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook Messenger Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. As you can see that a workflow is created in the name of Create Auto Reply in Facebook Messenger with Google Generative AI, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, click on this arrow right over here, and for the trigger application we are going to select it as Facebook Messenger. We're going to select a trigger application as Facebook Messenger, and for the trigger event as new message sent to page. So as we want that whenever a new message is forwarded by any of our customers on our Facebook Messenger to our page, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And then we're going to click on Connect in order to connect Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, on which click on Add New Connection, but if you want, you can select the existing connection, and then we have to click on Connect with Facebook Messenger. As you can see that we have successfully authorized Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, over here it is asking for us to select a Facebook page. So for the page, this is my Facebook page in the name of Echo Delicious, and my customers are going to ask me questions on this page, that is Echo Delicious, and I want to auto reply to all of my customers with the help of this page with the help of Facebook Messenger. Okay, so this is my business in the name of Echo Delicious, with the help of which I'm selling my organic products. Okay, and I want that whenever any of my customers are going to ask any question related to my business with the help of Facebook Messenger, automatically with the help of Google Generative AI, that is Google Gemini, I want to auto reply to their messages. Okay, so for the page over here in our workflow, what we are going to do is we are going to select over here as Echo Delicious. Okay, after selecting the page, what we have to do is we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As soon as you could do that, over here it was saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we have to do is we have to do a test submission. We are going to send a test message on our Facebook Messenger to our page Echo Delicious, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of that test message or not. For that, we are going to send a message to our Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page in the name of Echo Delicious, and we're going to send a message to this page right over here. The question I want to ask is, so this is the message that I want to send, which says, hello, can you please tell me the benefits of using organic products? Okay, so I'm going to send this question to my Facebook page, that is Echo Delicious right over here. And you can see that I've already sent a message over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of this question that we have forwarded to our page or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect account. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, as you can see over here, a response is captured in our Pabbly Connect account. If I'm going to scroll down, for the text over here, the question is, can you please tell the benefits of using organic products? Okay, so this means that we successfully connected Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. So now what is going to happen is, anytime any of my customers are going to send any messages on my Facebook page with the help of Facebook Messenger, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And now as the response is captured, we want to generate the content, the reply to the message to our customers. And how we're going to generate that? With the help of Google Generative AI, that is Google Gemini. For that, we're going to set up our action step, and for the action application, we are going to select it as Google Generative AI. So I'm going to select the action application as Google Generative AI. And for the action of it, we're going to select it as generate content, as we want to generate the content of the question that our customer has asked. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on connect or to connect Google Generative AI to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. As soon as you click on add new connection, over here it is asking for the API key. With the help of API key, we're going to connect Google Generative AI, that is Google Gemini, to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and how we're going to get the API key? For that, click on this hyperlink Google AI Studio right over here. As you can see that then this page is going to appear in front of you. Over here it says get API key. We're going to click on it. As soon as you're going to click on get API keys page is going to appear in front of you. Over here it says create API key. We're going to create an API key right over here. For the group, I'm going to select a group from here, and then I'm going to click on create API key. As you can see over here, an API key is generated. I'm going to copy this key from here, and I'm going to paste the key right over here, and then I'm going to click on save. As you can see that we successfully connected Google Generative AI to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, over here it is asking for the text after connecting. For the text over here, we're going to write the prompt, with the help of which Google Generative AI is going to generate the content. For the text over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the prompt that I've written over here. It says, I am an owner of a business that is Echo Delicious, and I sell organic products. My objective is that whenever I'm going to receive any message from my customers through Facebook Messenger, so I want to generate a reply to that question asked by my customer. And the question is, for the question over here, what we are going to do is, I'm going to remove this question from here. And for the question, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from the previous step of our workflow. How are we going to do that? As soon as we click on this field, it says Facebook Messenger, new message send on page. This was the previous step of our workflow right away. As I'm going to click on this arrow, this was the response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, we need the question that our customer has asked. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this question over here, that is message text. We're going to select this. Okay, as I've selected the data is mapped, and as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically in place of this map data, the new data is going to be updated. Okay, so as we have mapped the data over here, next it says, so can you please create and reply to this question in paragraph? So this is the prompt right over here. Okay, for the module over here, I'm going to select it as module/Gemini Pro. Okay, so select the module over here. And next, for the methods, we're going to select it as generate content, and then we're going to click on save and send test request. As we have clicked on save and send test request, over here a response is received, and in the response we have received the content. You can see it says, hello, thank you for reaching out and inquiring about the benefits of the organic products of Echo Delicious, and these are some benefits written right over here. So this means that we successfully generated a content with the help of Google Generative AI towards a question that was asked by our customers with the help of Facebook Messenger. And now what we have to do is we have to send the message to our customer. For that, we're going to add another action step by click on this plus button right over here, and for the action application, I'm going to select it as Facebook Messenger again. And for the action event, we are going to select it as send message, as we want to send a reply to the question that our customer has asked. Now I'm going to click on connect it or to connect Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, and I have the existing connection app, so I'm going to select the option. But if you want, you can add a new connection. I'm going to click on save next. As you can see that we successfully connected Facebook Messenger to Pabbly Connect. Over here next it is asking for the Facebook page, and the help desk says if you want to enter the Facebook page you have to map the entry ID from the previous step. So over here in our Facebook Messenger new message send on page we have received the entry ID. You can see this is the entry ID. So this is the Facebook page ID. We're going to map this data. Okay. After that it is asking for the recipient ID. For the recipient ID we can enter the sender's ID or the recipient ID. So I'm going to map the data of the sender ID right over here. Okay. Next over here it is asking for the message that we want to reply to our sender. For the message I'm going to map the data of the content that is generated with the help of Google Generative AI. After filling all the details I'm going to click on save and send test request. As you can see that as we have clicked on save and send test request, over here we have received a response, and the response that we have received is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my messenger and I'm going to check whether I have received the reply of the question that I've asked with the help of Facebook Messenger or not. For that I'm going to open my Facebook Messenger, and yes, as you can see right over here we have successfully received a message on our Facebook Messenger, and this is the reply to the question that I've asked right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Facebook Messenger and Google Generative AI with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, I'm going to ask another question over here in my Facebook Messenger, and I'm going to check whether an auto reply is generated with the help of Google Generative AI and forwarded to me on my Facebook Messenger or not. For that I'm going to ask another question. The question is, so this is the question that I want to ask, which is what are organic products? I'm going to set this question over here. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes and I'm going to check whether the reply to this question is forwarded to me. And as you can see right over here, the reply is automatically forwarded to me on my Facebook Messenger. The answer is organic products are those that are produced without use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides or fertilizers. They are not genetically modified, and this is the answer to the question that we have asked on our Facebook Messenger. So this means that we successfully connected Facebook Messenger and Google Generative AI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I wanted to generate auto reply to all the questions that my customers are asking with the help of Facebook Messenger on my Facebook page with the help of Google Generative AI. For that I've created this amazing automation between Facebook Messenger and Google Generative AI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.